I never thought that I would be sitting here on the Bartlett unit learning about renewable energy. When I came in 2014, renewable energy wasn't in TDC system. So to be able to be on the ground floor in this facility, it's amazing.
With both sensors, you're just going to be marking what type of voltages you get out of the multimeters.
The hands-on that we get with the trainers or the JLG or the scissor lift, every day we get hands-on material. This is just one of the trainers that we have. We have multiple different types of trainers that teach you how to wire stuff, turn on lights, turn on the solar panel or the wind turbine. We get to go take the JLG around the unit, and recently we helped change some of the lights out in the unit. That's about 40 feet in the air. So every day we get hands-on no matter what it is. Breaker's on.
All right.
It should be right now.
So we got the utility grid lamp. By them offering us job skills and helping us with writing resumes, it gives us skills we once might not have necessarily had. And I believe that it'll keep the recidivism rate down because we don't have to go back to do the things we used to do. We have options. We don't have to be part of that old lifestyle anymore. So we got the power inverter DC.
There you go, right there.
I would say that everyone deserves a second chance, and we're all not what you see on paper. Some of us made a bad decision, and we want y'all to know that you can change, and there is change. And these programs and the teachers, they help us with that change.
If I put it on negative, it's going to be 12-17.
You got to make sure it's any more than 20 voltage.
It makes me feel good inside knowing that I'm applying myself and I'm learning not only different types of skills, but I'm investing in myself, I'm investing in my future. I have a brighter outlook today than I used to because I know that once I get out, I'm going to be successful.